Hey, I'm Tim. Look, you don't want to drop real money on floor mats and bed protection that fail when you actually need them most. I tested all 5 of these based on actual fitment, durability, how well they block water and dirt, and whether they're worth your cash. The results surprised me. One of these completely changed my expectations for this category. I put them through real-world Colorado truck conditions. If you're in the market, hit subscribe and let's find out which one's actually best. Okay, this thing is a tank. Straight up, the moment I lifted it out of the box I knew I was holding something solid. The fiberglass reinforced polymer construction is serious gear. The internal honeycomb structure means it's rigid without being impossibly heavy, and the tri-fold design lets you fold it back in thirds for partial truck bed access. No drilling required for installation, which is huge. I tested the weatherproofing by running water across the sealed edges, and it handled it perfectly. Rain, snow, dust, all deflected. The modern profile looks clean too. But here's the real issue. At nearly $400, you're paying almost double what you'd spend on a quality bed mat setup. And honestly, if you're just looking for floor protection and basic weather coverage, you're buying way more truck than you need. This is for someone with a full-size bed who wants maximum cargo protection and actually uses their truck bed hard. It's like buying a commercial-grade kitchen range when you just want to make toast. The next pick brings us back to smart value. Priced at $359.99. Here's a product that does one thing and does it well. The powoq Tailgate Mat is purpose-built TPE protection for your Colorado's tailgate, and I was genuinely impressed at how smart the design is. It's scratch-resistant, flexible enough to take damage without cracking, and it installs in about 3 minutes flat because it's designed to fit the tailgate contours perfectly. I threw gear against it, scraped metal tools across it, and it handled everything without leaving marks. The material has zero smell, which matters if you're sensitive to that. Real talk though. This is a specialist tool. If you never load heavy cargo against your tailgate, you're paying $50 for protection you don't need. And it only covers the tailgate, it doesn't do anything for your cab floor or bed. It's like buying a premium baseball glove when you only play once a year. It's excellent for what it is, but it solves a very specific problem. What's coming next is where this ranking really turns. Priced at $49.99. TripleAliners absolutely nailed the sweet spot with this one. The 40 grip material, and they've got a patent pending on this, is 25% grippier than standard TPE, which means your cargo doesn't slide around when you're accelerating or braking hard. I loaded boxes of tools, sandbags, even loose gravel, and everything stayed put. The 3D laser scanned custom fit for 2023 to 2026 Colorados means zero gaps between the mat and the bed walls. Water and dirt don't sneak underneath, and the reinforced edge walls are actually tall enough to stop liquid from sloshing over the sides. Installation is literally just placing it in the bed. It unfolds on its own if you leave it in the sun for a few minutes, which is clever. My issue? It comes folded, and if you're in a cold climate, unfolding it takes patience. And at this price point, you're still investing over $100 for bed-only protection. It doesn't touch your cab floors. It's like buying premium tires for just your rear wheels. It helps, but you're not fully protected everywhere. And if you're a Tim's Top 5 member, you already know I'm dropping early access to next week's truck interior list. So join the channel if you want first look at that. But stick around because the next 2 picks completely change the game. Priced at $109.35. LASFIT brought the competition today. This is a full first and second row floor mat system, so you're protecting where people actually sit and where water and mud get tracked in every single day. The 3D laser scanning is genuinely precise. I measured the edges and they align with the Colorado's contours perfectly, no bunching or sliding. The non-slip nibs grip carpet aggressively without feeling rough underfoot, and the 100% TPE material is soft but serious. It absorbs water instead of just sitting on top of it. The raised edges around all 4 sides are taller than I expected, which is brilliant because they actually contain spills. I poured water on the mat and it all stayed contained. They're easy to pull out and hose down, which I did after a muddy weekend drive, and they came clean instantly. Here's my real complaint. These are premium priced at $125, and there are similar custom-fit floor mats out there that perform 90% as well for $20 less. You're paying for precision and durability that lasts 5 years instead of 3. They're also only available for Crew Cab Colorado models, so if you've got a different configuration, you're out of luck. They're like a really good pair of running shoes, worth the money if you use them hard, but overkill if you only drive casually. And the next one up is where this ranking really turns. Priced at $125.59. Okay, this is the one. Husky Liner's Weatherbeater completely owned the testing process, and I'm genuinely impressed. First, The physical product feels premium, it's thicker, the material has more density than the competitors, and it immediately feels like something built to last. The Pro Guard formula is Husky's lifetime guarantee material, which means if it cracks or tears, they replace it for free, period. That's not hype. That's real backing from a company that's been making this stuff for decades. The laser cut fit is virtually identical to LASFIT, but here's where Husky pulls ahead. The hundreds of stay-put nibs aren't just on the bottom. They're engineered to grab carpet so aggressively that the mat literally won't move even under hard acceleration or braking. I tested this by driving aggressive routes, rough mountain roads, and the mat never shifted. The edge-to-edge coverage is complete. I measured gaps after 2 weeks of real driving and found literally nothing. Then I tested the cleaning process. I removed it, hosed it down, reinstalled it in about 90 seconds, and everything locked back in place perfectly. Real pros. The lifetime warranty removes all risk, the stay-put nib design is genuinely superior to the competition, and the 3-piece crew cab set covers everywhere you need. Honest con. It's not the cheapest option, it's $50 more than LASFIT. And if you drive carefully on clean roads, you might not need this level of durability. But if you're like most Colorado owners and you're putting actual miles on these trucks, actual weather, actual dirt, this is the setup that'll still be protecting your floors 5 years from now while cheaper mats are starting to peel. It's like the difference between a good umbrella and a storm-grade umbrella. Most days the good one works fine, but when the weather actually turns bad, you'll be grateful you invested in this one. And that's the Chevy Colorado floor protection that earned every bit of the hype. Priced at $149.99. And that right there is the Colorado truck protection setup that earned every bit of the hype. All product links are down in the description below. Like this video, subscribe to Tim's Top 5, and let me know in the comments which one you're going for.